안녕하세요. 여러분 한국어 파트너 아루사입니다. I've noticed a lot of misuse of the verb 원하다 when Korean learners use it. For example, I want some pizza. In Korean, pizza 원해요. Actually, it sounds very awkward. You can still convey your intention and have no problem communicating with others, but again, it's awkward expression. So in this video, I'll give you a clarification for how to use the verb 원하다 in real life Korean. Remember the three expressions. 주세요, 할래요, 하고 싶어요. Let's say I have you over to my place. Very hot. 오늘 되게 더워요. And you are thirsty, so I offer you something. 뭐 마실래? What do you want to have? 물, 우유, 주스, 뭐 마실래? And you wanna say, I want some water. 물 주세요. 물 원해요? No. 물 주세요. 물 줘. Casual expression. 물 줘. Or we say, 물 마실래? 물 마실래? Literally meaning, I'll drink water. But when you say, I'd like water, you say, 물 마실래? 물 마실래? Or say, I wanna drink water. 물 마시고 싶어. 물 마시고 싶어. Again, 주세요, 할래요, 하고 싶어요. Another example. 배고파요. You're hungry. 뭐 먹을래? 피자, 치킨, 김밥. 뭐 먹을래? 김밥 먹고 싶어. I wanna eat 김밥. 1, 2 plus verb. You can learn more expressions in this video. Or 김밥 먹을래? 먹을래, 마실래, 먹을래. So when the verb stem has the final consonant, you need 을래, 먹을래. It doesn't have one then. 릴래, 마시 plus 릴래, 마실래. 마실래요, 먹을래요. So as you see here, the verb 원하다 is not really used a lot in spoken Korean. Instead, you can see this expression a lot in written Korean, poem, song lyrics. In Korean, the verb 원하다 is not commonly used on its own. Instead, it is often used to modify nouns or in its noun form 원하는 것. 원하다 expresses a desire or longing for something specific, and it is typically used with a noun to indicate the desired object or action. For example, you can say 원하는 삶, the desired life. 원하는 위치, the desired location, or 원하는 결과, the desired outcome, to express your wishes or aspirations related to a specific thing. Here are example sentences with the word 원하는, meaning desired or wanted. When you have this kind of conversation, we have to choose different expressions depending on the context. How do I know which one to use? Well, today you just learned the three expressions. When somebody's offering something, you say 주세요, 할래요, 하고 싶어요. That's how you use it. Let's say you are seated at a restaurant ordering some food. I'm your server. 주문하시겠습니까? What would you like to order? Or are you ready to order? 하시겠습니까? You don't see 원해요 in this expression, right? 주문하시겠습니까? Then I say I'd like 갈비. 갈비 주세요. 갈비 2인분 주세요. 2 portions of galbi, please. So this situation when you buy something, order something, or choose from several options, you say 주세요, 할래요, 하고 싶어요. That's it. How about this one? Let's say it's been very dry. So you want rain to come. 비, rain, 비 원해요? This case you say 비가 왔으면 좋겠어요. What, Arusa? That's like a totally different expression. Yeah, I know. Again, depending on the context, we have to choose different expressions. But here, don't freak out. I know exactly how you feel right now. Do not even think about quitting learning Korean. I'm just kidding. So it'd be nice if a word is translated into just one word, but that's not how languages work, as you know. In all language, it doesn't apply. For example, like apple, 사과. If one word has only the one form of the language, but that's not how it works, as you know. So I would say instead of feeling frustrated, You are pleased by learning one expression or two expressions every day. I can speak this in Korean. I can speak this expression in Korean. You have to be happy with it. Otherwise, you can get easily tired and end up quitting learning things, right? So, watch a lot of Korean dramas and movies to see how the language is used, unless you have Korean friends around. Of course, you would say, oh, my Korean skills are not good enough to watch all those content without subtitle. So at this point, you need a subtitle when watching Korean content. When you see a certain verb and then you hear some different expressions, then you have to be curious. That's how it is used. That's how you learn a language naturally. But again, learning a language, making mistakes is totally fine. You learn through mistakes. In a nutshell, remember the three expressions when expressing the verb want. 주세요, 할래요, 하고 싶어요. How about this one? I want you. 나는 너를 원해. This expression is only seen in a poem or song lyrics. There's actually a song called 너를 원해. Now it's time for a quiz. Say it's your birthday today. 뭐 하고 싶어? 뭐 하고 싶어? Can you say? 근사한 식당에 가고 싶어. Your friend is offering some snacks. 뭐 먹을래? 떡볶이 먹을래. 떡볶이 먹고 싶어. Sorry, I don't really have 떡볶이 ingredients. I've got some fruit and 떡. 어느 거 먹을래? 뭐 먹을래? You say? 떡 줘. 떡 주세요. Say, I have a lot of hats. I want to share some of them with you. 뭐 할래? The red one, the blue one, the black one. 뭐 할래? 검정색 할래. That's it for today's lesson. If you liked this video, please hit 좋아요 and 구독. 감사합니다.